Hi friends, welcome back. So if you are working in software industry or a IT industry, then getting fired or getting laid off as a software engineer is very common these days. There are various reasons why software engineers will get fired or get laid off because of various reasons. So I will be discussing some of the very important or common reasons which I can talk about in this video. Around 12 reasons I am providing in this video. If you are going to work upon with these common reasons, definitely you can get saved from getting fired or getting laid off. The first common reason would be whenever they hire, normally companies they hire in very bulk for various projects or various roles. There are certain situations it happens that they hired for a certain role or certain projects. If that project does not turn up or if that technology does not turn up, then your role becomes more redundant and you'll be not suitable for that current job or a role. Even that is a situation, you will get fired or you get laid off in the company. And the second reason where as a software engineer you are not working up to the industry standard or up to the mark or up to the other peer group on performance aspects. If other software engineer can do better, if you are not able to do yourself better within that group, then definitely you will get rated at the bottom of the pyramid. You will be get fired or you will get laid off because of poor performance as well. And the third reason would be companies, they give a lot of opportunities for software engineers as well. Where even when you are not performing well, they will try to give a lot of feedback from the test lead or dev manager, or it can be from senior developer or developer. You will get a lot of feedback or inputs on your performance, and they will give opportunity for you to improve as well. When you as a software engineer, if you are not taken that feedback and you are not worked upon the improvement, then definitely there are chances that you will get fired or you will get laid off as well. Then the fourth reason would be, as a software engineer, if you are looking in IT industry or software industry, things will get changed every 6 months or every year. Lot of new technologies will come up, lot of new tools will arrive in the market. If as a software engineer, if you're not able to cope up with these new technologies or new things, if you're not able to learn these new things, and if you're not aligning with the company requirement which they are expecting from you, then definitely you will get laid off or you will get fired because of this reason as well. And the fifth reason would be, this is more to do on in terms of the compensations. Company is not doing great and they wanted to cut down the budget. Even that is a situation, they will remove some of the software engineers. If they have 10 software engineers, because of they wanted to cut in the budget, they may remove 2 people or 3 people. They just want to keep 6 or 7 people and they will remove remaining 3 people. That means it is not just because of your performance here, but it is due to the budget availability within that company or within that project. Because of that reason, they will fired or they'll lay off the people as well. And the sixth reason would be, sometime what happens, there are many departments will be there in the company. There are few departments, they are not making profits and they wanted to shut down or they wanted to wind up those businesses. Even that situation as well, whoever working in that department, they will lay off the entire group or entire resources under that group. The seventh reason would be, in any software company, there are well established policies and procedures will be defined in any software industry or any software organization. As an employee or as a software engineer, if you are not going to comply with those company policies and comply with those procedures, even that is a situation, you will get fired or you will also get laid off. Then the eighth one is, if your leads or your managers feels that as a software engineer you are not a trustable resource or you're not a good team player, you're not able to mingle with the other team members, and you are not able to gel with them, and you are not able to work together to deliver the things, or you may have a lot of ego problems. Even all these situation, they will give certain opportunity for you to improve. Even if you are not able to improve, even after giving a lot of options for you, if you are not going to change, even that is a situation, will get fired or will get laid off. And the ninth one is, as we discussed earlier as well, it may happen that when they hire you, they have certain positions or they may have certain roles in that company. All of a sudden, if that project goes away, if that department they wanted to cut down, even that is a situation, your role becomes very redundant. Even that is a situation, also you will get laid off or you will get fired. The 10th reason would be where you are not delivering the quality perspective. They expect you are required to be delivered high quality product and high quality things whenever you are getting delivered from your side. Either it could be your code which you are writing, or test cases which you are writing, or any delivery which you are making as part of your software engineering role. Then you will also get fired because of the reason as well, because you are not able to deliver the quality delivery. And also, if you have missed any timelines, if you are missing the timelines more frequently, even that could be the reason you will get fired or you will get removed from the organization. And the 11th reason would be where you are not working as per the management or leadership direction, because they expect you listen to the management and leadership group. If you are not working with them or you are not listening to them and based on their direction, if you are not working as a software engineer, even that situation also will get fired from that organization. And the 12th reason would be, as a software engineer, if you are not aligned with the team dynamic. This is very crucial. In software engineer, there are entire team or entire group will be there. If you are not working with that team dynamics, and if you are not working with that team properly, if you are not able to manage those politics within that group, even this reason also will get laid off or will get fired because of this reason as well. So these are the 12 important common reasons why software engineers will get fired or will get laid off because of these 12 reasons. I hope you guys got a clear idea now. If you can work upon these reasons, and if you can cope up with these reasons, definitely you can get saved from getting fired or you will get laid off. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now. Take care.